You know, I'm pretty sure there wasn't this many pits in the TV show. Grab onto this. Oh, wait, we gotta make sure. Bam! Like clockwork. That was awesome. Almost fell off. Oh, but we didn't. And checkpoint. Ah, doomsday right here. So, if we can use our move to kind of skip some of these places. What are you doing? Don't fall. And you fell. I totally blame that on Sonic and not on me whatsoever. Because I'm much better than that. You guys know that. I wouldn't. What are you doing? Why? I did not press left there, I promise. But it did it on its own. Why didn't I just take this route the first time? Okay. Oh, I thought that was... No, it was just far, Got it. No! Why are you so fast, Sonic? With the power of Bandage! Without actually focusing on it, looks like I'm doing a good job. Let's not jinx myself. Yeah! Take that, Dr. Eggman.
This is my escape. I'm running